In today's video, we'll try to learn how to create pay heads for convenience. So for convenience, come here, get rid of tally, then go with create. Then select pay head under payroll masters here. Then put the name of this, which is convenience. Then press enter to end of the list, and pay head type will be earnings for employees. Then income type will be fixed. Under will be indirect expenses. Then affect net salary, it will be yes. Name to be displayed, it will be convenience. I put this as it is. Used for calculation gratitude, it will be no. Set or alter income tax detail, made it yes, because I want to change. A new window will open. So here a screen income tax detail is open. Income tax component will be the field area allowance. So I'll just freeze some few words. You can see field area allowance. Tax calculation will be projected value on projected value, and calculation type will be flat rate. So I select flat rate. Calculation period, I want to put it month and nothing to change. Rounding method, I want to make it normal rounding is it 1. Nothing to I want opening balance. I don't have any opening balance, so I'll just press enter. Accept will be yes. And next one, I want to create pay head for overtime pay, so I'll put the name overtime. Then pay head, end of the list. Then pay head type will be earning for employee. Income type will be the fixed, indirect, and under will be the indirect expenses. Affect net salary, it will be yes. It will be overtime. Used for calculation, it will be no. Set or alter income tax detail, I want to make it yes, so I'll put Y. Press enter. The income tax detail is window open, and it will be other earnings and or allowance fully taxable, and the calculation type will be on projected value. Then press enter. Calculation type will be the production, on production, because I want to pay the overtime on our production value. So I'll select production. Period will be I want to put overtime. Rounding method, I want to make it normal rounding limit is 1. Nothing to put. Opening balance I don't have, so press enter. Accept yes. The creation of pay heads for convenience and overtime is completed. In our next video, we'll try to make pay heads for employee provident fund or professional tax. For one, I'll try to make for employee provident fund, and the next one is for professional tax. So this is for today. Thank you for watching.